Hello and welcome to this deployment of a Bolt.New mini project. So Bolt.New is a website and application builder, and what makes it unique is it's completely AI based, so you don't have to be a coder. Ideally that helps if you are, but you can create full applications and websites with just English. So today we're going to be building a e-commerce store selling outdoor products, sort of as a salute toward Cyber Monday coming up. We'll keep it simple, just 3 products, and give it some basic color scheme advice, and yeah, let's see what it makes. So I'm going to speed up all of the actual generation here. Beautiful. That's not bad at all. I'm not a fan of the tone of green, so I'm going to ask it to change it to more neutral colors. So whenever you want to make a change, you can just talk to the AI in the little chat bar there. So we'll use a more tranquil color palette. And you talk to it just like you talk to a chat agent. And whenever it runs into problems, it'll actually self-resolve, which is pretty neat. But yeah, this looks great. The colors are more tranquil, quote unquote. It's definitely easier to look at, which is nice. I like the more muted tones here. So generally, it'll produce just the framework for it, so it won't have any functionality. So what I'm doing now is asking it to create the actual pages and the navigation items and the e-commerce functionality. And it does it in this way because it wants to make sure that you are happy with the actual design before it goes and builds all the back end, because it does cost extra tokens to develop. So we'll let it run here. Once again, I asked it to just generate the functionality, the buttons, making them clickable and whatnot. This whole build took about 25 minutes. I'm speeding this up 5x for context. So these buttons should all be clickable now. Shop, about, say just generated a mission, contact. So we want to add this to cart, add this to cart. Go here, proceed to checkout. And that's as far as it went to. So next, let's say we click on this. Say, okay, thank you. Now please add high performing and CRO optimized, so conversion rate optimized. Product copy for each product. And after adding to cart, bring up a sidebar that asks if you'd like to check out or continue shopping. Let's take a look now. So we should be able to click. You can see we've got more information. It should pull up a side thing here. Continue shopping, add to cart, view cart, proceed to checkout. Now we want to add let's add a checkout component, but don't integrate Stripe right now because I don't have an API key. And if you wanted to integrate Stripe, you could. I just don't want to do it right now. You can see it building the checkout pages here. Pretty neat. So let's go to shop now. Continue shopping, add to cart, view cart, checkout. Got it. So it shows here. It's a demo only. You could change that by integrating Stripe, but yeah, that's the process. Pretty straightforward. You can see there's some just some basic design discrepancies. You can fix that. Say, please make sure all of the product boxes on the home page collection pages are. I should press it there. Oh. Huh. Yep, so right here, we're just going to let it know that we want it to be symmetrical and aligned. And I'm going to take a screenshot as well because I can actually visualize it. Now it's all fixed. Add to cart. We can fix this as well if we wanted to. So view cart, proceed to checkout. Beautiful. Shop. But other than this, we're basically done. Obviously, if you wanted to deploy it, we'll do that next. All right, so let's say we're happy with this. Now we click deploy. So deploy to Netlify. You can go in and claim it. And I believe you can just add your domain after that. So we'll take a look there. So let's take a look. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Shop, cart, view cart. Very nice. Very nice. So now this is done. Let's look at claiming it. Here it is. So click on this. So I can set up a custom domain, secure it. I'm not going to do this right now, but that's pretty cool. Yeah, so you can just develop and launch your own website in 15 minutes. Obviously, if you need to go back and make changes, you can go back into Bolt. But ideally, you can also set up an admin panel to actually make these changes. So let's just see if we do that real quick. Awesome. Thank you. Can you also develop an admin panel login where I can go in and make changes to the imagery, copy, and products? Let's see if this works. Let's see how it looks. Admin sus login. So I think this is how it works. Let me see. No, it's not how it works. Where do I go to login? Like that? Oh, there we go. So admin login. Nice. Oh, that's awesome. So we can add products, images. So it found an error, so it's going to try to fix it. So let's remove this. It looks like we can upload images here. Products, you can add products, add content, save changes. So these actually don't work right now. What you have to do is actually make the functionality, make it work. So please make the product, add product, add images, and add content functional. So what it'll usually do, so what I'm seeing now is that it creates the front end. And if you're happy with the front end, then it'll actually go in depth and do the back end, which is actually smart, saving your token usage and whatnot. So we'll just let this run. Building that functionality. I see some sections it's adding. Just testing some product creation here. Continue to test it out. It'll take some troubleshooting, but pretty straightforward overall. Well, I think this is good enough. Hope you enjoyed this little deployment of bolts. I'll continue to make more. Feel free to give me a follow if you like this type of content, you want to see more. And yeah, have an amazing day, and
Talk to you soon.